Welcome back, everyone. This here is a vampire eyeshadow look. It's very easy and simple to do, so let's get started. Starting off using a blending brush, apply a reddish orange color. We're going to be blending that into the crease. I'm going to be doubling up on this reddish orange color, and basically what that means is I'm going to keep on applying the product until the pigmentation is perfect. Going in with a brown color, I'm going to use my blending brush and apply it on the crease as well. Now you don't want to interfere with the orange color that you've applied previously, and that's because you want it to have a transitioning look. Now with a black color, you want to apply that to the crease, but be sure to do it very, very lightly, one step at a time. Since we're applying a black color, you want to apply a tape on the outer corners of your eye, just to be sure that there is no fallout that will basically ruin the rest of your makeup. Now you want to slowly apply more and more black color to the crease. And be sure that you're very patient because this step takes a lot of patience. Applying a black color, it takes a lot of blending, so make sure you blend. Now you have to apply some concealer to the lid. Taking a flat brush, you want to apply the color red. Be sure that the red is very, very pigmented. Now apply that red to the lid where you've applied the concealer. Drag that red color along the bottom of your waterline. Now you want to apply a shimmery maroon color. Basically apply it right on top of that red color. Now you may remove your tape. And buff out any flaws. Apply some mascara. Also, do not forget to apply some mascara onto your bottom lash line or the lower lashes. Apply a pair of very nice and fluffy eyelashes. And basically your look is all complete. Here are the final results. If you ended up liking this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up down below and share it with your friends and family. If you wish to see more videos like this, in the upcoming future, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And until my next video, stay safe and take care, everyone. Goodbye.